Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows daemon tools installing error Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. Open Windows Security. Click Manage Settings. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. Add Daemon Tool Setup file. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.